How to open every file in a folder. I have a Python script parse.py, which in the script open a file, say file1, and then do something, maybe print out the total number of characters. Right now, I am using stdout to direct the result to my output file, output. However, I don't want to do this file by file manually. Is there a way to take care of every single file automatically? Like. Then the problem is, how could I read the file name from stdin? Or there are already some built-in functions to do the ls and those kind of work easily. Thanks.
os? You can list all files in the current directory using os.listitor. glob? Or you can list only some files, depending on the file pattern, using the glob module. It doesn't have to be the current directory, you can list them in any path you want. Pipe? Or you can even use the pipe as you specified using file input. And you can then use it with piping.
You should try using os.walk. I was looking for this answer. You can choose as well .text or other ends of your file name.
You can actually just use os module to do both. List all files in a folder, sort files by file type, file name, etc. Here's a simple example. Now you have not only listed all the files in a folder but also have them, optionally, sorted by starting name, file type and others. Just now iterate over each list and do your stuff.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.